Yo, like, look, that's the R8 24 Hours of Le Mans edition. Yo, V10, amazing. Oh, okay, sorry.
Yeah, the light is gone.
Wow, that's such a cool R8. R8s are probably one of my most favorite cars as well. Yo, you can hear that? Oh yes. Yeah. Sorry, can you rev it? Can you rev it? Wow, thank you. Wow, such a cool sounding car. 24 Hours of Le Mans. V10, Audi R8. All that carbon fiber side blades, they're absolutely amazing, and that red and white accents, so cool. Thanks. I'm gonna watch you pull out from over there. Oh, guys, look at that! Over there, pulling in. Ferrari.
Yeah. What one is it? I can't see it.
I can't see too. All right. That got better. Oh, my voice cracks. Yo, look at that. Oh, such a beautiful car, Ferrari. Wow. Oh, V250 GT, buddy. 13 million pounds right over there. Yep, there we go. Wow. Yo. Oh, hi. R8's going. Bye, R8. We loved you. There is a 250 GT right here. Look at those exhaust pipes. They're amazing. Wow. Yo, can you rev it? It's all right about 40 million pounds. Well, obviously $80 million, but there was one red 250 GT that sold for 40 million. And look at this, he gives it gas like so small, but it bangs like, yeah. Dang. Such a beautiful car. Whoa. Look at that. Why is there traffic here? So much traffic.
Oh wait, this is not the GTO, so it's slightly less.
It's a GT.
Yeah, so they're slightly less.
Oh, wow. Oh, you guys hear that? We don't even need to ask him to rev it. He just goes and goes. Wow. Look at those exhaust pipes. Look how big they are.
I know.
That's
Surely
like...
that's not worrying people. I'm joking.
I mean, you probably do trip over every once in a while when you try to get to your car, but that's alright. You own a Ferrari 250, don't you? Can't get mad. Yo. Yeah.
Just the smallest RPMs and that thing
Goes.
pops. Look, that exhaust pipe loose.
Yeah. That's one hell of a car today. Wow. So,
Following this for the next 20 minutes.
I'm currently filming for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow, such an amazing car. Obviously the 7, so this is more like a racy version. Just hear the noise out of it.
Okay, I think
Wow. So many cops, and I have the feeling one of them might be for us. Not for us though, but like, yeah. Look at that air vent to the top, so cool. Yeah, so after some research and becoming more smart every second with Google, shout out to Google, we learned that this is a 1963 GT, but still, what an amazing car. Oh.